Hello guys, in this video I'd like to share with you how to fix the error cannot find the tag library descriptor for jakarta.tags.core in Java Web Development. I am Nam Hà Minh at CodeJava.net. So, what is the cause of this error cannot find the tag library descriptor? The most likely cause is that missing libraries for JSTL Jakarta standard tag library in the class path of the project, and the solution is simple, just adding the correct dependencies that contains JSTL APIs and JSTL implementation to the project. Let me show you a Java web project in Eclipse IDE. You see, in this project I used some tags from JSTL in my inner JSP page, call tag and format tag, but I got the error. You can see, cannot find the tag library descriptor for Jakarta tags core. The same error, cannot find the tag library descriptor for Jakarta tags FMT. You see the error here. So to fix this error, we need to add the correct dependencies that contain JSTL APIs in the Maven project file. In this project I used Maven, so I need to add a dependency for JSTL here with the group ID is jakarta.servlet.jsp.jstl and artifact ID is Jakarta servlet JSTL API, and version is 3.0.0. If you want to get the latest version of this dependency, you can search for this group ID on Maven Central Repository. Here, Maven Central Repository, and search for that group ID to see the latest version of Jakarta Standard Tag Library API. You see, the latest version as of now is 3.0.0. And the second dependency is the implementation of Jakarta Standard Tag Library with the following dependency information. Group ID is org.glassfish.web, and artifact ID is jakarta.servlet.jsp.jstl. And similarly, if you want to find the latest version of this dependency, you can search on Maven Central Repository. So the other two dependencies require to fix the error cannot find the tag library descriptor. Okay, after adding these dependencies, we need to update the project, update Maven project. Right click on the project Maven and then update project. Okay, you see the error has been gone. You see, and you can see the details of these two dependencies here. JSTL API that contains the API definitions of JSTL, and JSTL implementation here that contains the detailed implementation of the tag libraries. For example, in the core tag call tags here. Okay, you see. So to solve the error cannot find the tag library descriptor, you need to add these two dependencies in the Java web project. So thus you have seen how to solve the error cannot find the tag library descriptor for Jakarta tags call in Java web development. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.